Monday. So the day was pretty nice overall, and I did everything of hematology except for the pharmac. So overall, it was a really nice and productive day. In the evening, we cooked nice dinner, which was eggplant. And apart from that, I had a fast today, so it went by well. Didn't even feel that, and yeah, that was good. So overall, it's a good beginning for the week. Tomorrow I have an exam, so yeah, I gotta be ready for that. So I'll be sleeping in 15 minutes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Hey guys, it's 20th of April and it's 9:40 p.m. I'm about to sleep. I decided to study in this the study lamplight to just be good on my eyes, to get into the sleep mode basically. So yeah, today I had my exam. It went by well, but I did realize that I have completely forgotten my neuro, so I need to revise it well. But I also need to do endocrine with it, endocrine and renal. So yeah, there's a lot that needs to be done for my CBS 3 exam, which is coming Tuesday. So yeah, the work begins, and yeah, basically that's it. The day was well after the exam. We cleaned the house. So yeah, apart from that, we cooked fried rice today for dinner, and yep, that's it. Basically that's it. So yeah, good night guys. See you tomorrow sometime. Hey guys, it's the 21st of April and it's 8:30 p.m. So it was a good day. I was doing dermatology today, and apart from that, this evening I was going out for a run, and my roommates were kind of bored studying for the whole day, so they decided they want to go out. So we kind of went to the supermarket and got the groceries for next week as well. We came home, had dinner. We made some rice and curry, which is a gravy made of curd. And after having that, I'm right here, just done with my dinner, and now I will start to study it, but I'm just replying to some of the lovely comments on YouTube on my last videos. So yeah, you guys are really supportive, thank you all. So yeah, after this I'll be going to bed in about an hour. I'll just do some reviews before going to bed, and see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye bye. Hey guys, it's the 22nd of April, it's 5:40 p.m. and I went on for a run, came back home, wasn't in a mood to do a workout, did 25 push-ups, and I thought, okay, let's go for a hike, so I came up here. So yep, I'm gonna relax here for like 10 minutes and then head back home. So yep, about these studies, I'm not sure if I'll be clear because it's quite windy, but today was the official kind of last day of my med school, second year of med school. So this is where we have an exam now on Tuesday. It's our final CBSE exam, and after that we prepare for step 1, and post that we done 4th year clinicals. So you can say this was the kind of last on-campus day, although it was online, but it was kind of the last official class day at the university. So yeah, it's been 2 years. I started med school, not exactly 2 years, but yeah, it's the last day of my second year of classes. So well, that's been a long thing, but it went by quick, and now I have to start preparing for my exam on Tuesday, and after that, step 1 preparation. I have been saying this quite a lot, but yeah, that's what is going on basically. So yeah, I'm just gonna rest here, sit down on here and relax for 10 minutes and then head back home. See you guys maybe tomorrow. Hey guys, good evening. It's the 24th of April. It's 9:12 p.m. So the day has been really good in terms of studies. I completed endocrinology, pathoma, and then I was doing renal. Also, I did some questions on public health. So in terms of studying, it has been a really nice day. But in the evening, right now, like for the last half an hour, I was just catching up with some schoolwork and some organizations that I am in. So yeah, it's been like 3 years I've been very active in school organizations, and I was the president of one of the organizations last semester, or in fact I am the president of one of the organizations this semester, which is SBC, and we organized an event and there was some problem with that, and I realized, I thought that I've learned everything, I know everything, how to manage everything, but thanks to my school advisors and our directors of the club at school, they are really helpful. They point out all the mistakes that we make, and they're really making sure that we understand where we are going wrong, because I realize this is med school, but they are really helpful and they make us learn what we are doing wrong and improve in each and every event. So in the last event we did some mistakes and I didn't realize that I was wrong, and I didn't realize that I missed a point right over there after the event. Talking about the event today with our advisor, I realized, okay, so that's what I haven't learned even in the last 3 years, being active in almost all the organizations at my school, at my university. So yeah, learning never ends. You guys need to have someone who's there who actually helps you point out these mistakes, and you need to take advantage of those opportunities, because someone would have taken this situation in the wrong way, that why is that professor complaining, but it's not. They really care about you and they really want you to improve and be a better person when you move out of the university, which I am going to in probably the next 4 or 8 months. And I'm really grateful to have these amazing people in my life, these amazing teachers who really help me improve in every step. So yeah, thank you. Learning never ends, remember that, guys. So yeah, it was a really nice day, in fact, of studying. And yep, I also talked to a friend during lunchtime, and yeah, it's going well. So yes, exam on Tuesday, today's Saturday, kind of scared, but it's going well. The review is going well, so I hope I'll be doing well. So see you guys, good night. This was a long day, right? A long day of speaking. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's 25th of April, it's 8:30 p.m. and I'm kind of saturated today. Like, I was on reproductive pathology and my mind is like, push, it's like blocked right now. And just had dinner. I just had dinner and I was just relaxing on the bed watching YouTube videos when my roommate Love came in and kind of saved me. So I got up and I'll be doing some questions complete at least 10 questions and then go to bed. And yes, we have 2,700 plus subscribers. Oh, that's nice. Thank you guys. Hey guys, 26th April, 9:19 p.m. Tomorrow's exam. I did psychology, cardiology, and some repro review today. So yeah, kind of did a lot, and now I was like all saturated. So in the evening, I with my roommate Love, we solved some UWorld questions, and that's all. I'm just gonna go to bed now, relax, and stay calm, and do some normal reviews in the morning before going for the exam. So see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, just back from the exam. It was a 5.5 hour exam with a 15-minute break in between. That was super stressful. Like, it wasn't actually stressful, it was kind of mental fatigue towards the end. Otherwise the exam went well, but it was kind of fatiguing on the brain, because you have to constantly think on these cases where you're kind of presented a patient in like 70% of the questions. It's a lot of thinking. So yeah, but it's done. Last exam for second year is done. But the next 4 to 6 months I have to prepare for step 1 exam, and yes, that's gonna be a really nice journey. So we're gonna end this vlog here, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, Don't forget to like the video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Also, please leave your favorite emoji on the comment section below, and I'll see you the next time. Thanks for watching.